So a lot of my brothers and sisters that call themselves so-called foundational Black Americans are mad at my last video. And it's okay. I understand why. Many of you are miseducated. Many of you don't know anything. Many of you have not paid attention to history. There's always been multiple times in history where people come along trying to give you a sweet song and dance, thinking that they're somehow going to undo the curses that God put on our people by talking a good game and coming up with some type of clever scheme. Listen, Esau is the devil the Bible speaks of. That's the so-called white man. And this administration is showing you that. They don't care about you people. They're not giving you reparations. They're not giving you anything that's going to actually benefit you. They have not given us anything to benefit us since we've been in this country. I don't know why you brothers and sisters continue to allow yourselves to be deceived by hucksters and hustlers in our community that talk a good game but don't really show you fruits, that promise you things and never come through. That's why y'all fall for these stupid movements like this one right here.